Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaksyon itong post ni Teo Moreno 13 hours ago. Sabi niya, inciting to sedition case, not ICC warrant is the real issue. So ang pinapaliwanag ni Teo Moreno dito, yung pahayag ni PRRD sa isang PDP laban rally na ipapagurgur niya ang 15 senators para makapasok ang kanyang lineup. Ganon. So, ang nangyari, ang CIDG, through its commander, Major General Nicolas Torre, nagsampa ng inciting to sedition complaint against Duterte before the DOJ over his kill statement. Okay. So, sabi niya, while some speculate about a possible ICC arrest, this remains highly improbable unless there is a strong political maneuver from the Bongbong Marcos administration. Even then, the ICC's action have had little effect on powerful figures as seen in Russia, where an ICC warrant against Vladimir Putin did nothing. Moreover, the Philippines is no longer a member of the ICC, having withdrawn on March 17. Yan. Ito na ang opinion ni Teo Moreno. If there is any warrant of arrest against Duterte, it is more likely related to the inciting to sedition case, not ICC. So, naghahanda na ang mga kapulisan eh. Yung balita ng Manila Times, mga 7,000 policemen hinahanda para i-deploy sa mga airports, seaports, para siguraduhin na maaresto si PRRD pagbalik kanya from Hong Kong, na ang basihan is yung ICC warrant of arrest. So maraming nagsasabi na wala. So dito kay Teo Moreno, sabi niya, kung may warrant of arrest man, iyon related sa inciting to sedition complaint. May napanood akong vlog ni Gil Bautista. Ganito rin ang tema ni Gil Bautista, na walang ICC warrant of arrest, kundi kung meron mang warrant of arrest related sa inciting to sedition, ang basihan din ni Gil Bautista, sinabi daw ni Attorney Roque na posibleng may warrant of arrest si PRRD dahil sa inciting to sedition. Okay. Wala pang these are all speculations. Kailan granting na meron, So ito si Teo Moreno, mas maganda daw kung meron siyang, si PRRD meron siyang warrant of arrest related sa kanyang kaso sa inciting to sedition. Mas maganda daw, pabor sa PDP laban. Bakit? Ito. However, sabi niya, this move, yung warrant of arrest dahil sa inciting to sedition, this move could backfire on the Marcos administration for several reasons. Number one, inciting to sedition is a bailable offense. Even if Duterte is arrested, he would likely be released within hours after posting bail. Okay? So, hindi siya makukulong na matagal. Sandali lang. Detaining Duterte would only boost his popularity. Agree ba kayo? Agree ako dito. Lalo nilang pinapasikat si PRRD, sikat naman daan. Lalo lang yung underdog mentality ng Pilipino. Lalong maraming maaawa kay PRRD ikulong siya, i-mugshot siya, o whatever, i-publish, nako, ang taong bayan, yung nakaramdam ng katahimikan nung panahon ni PRRD, talagang magre-react dyan. At ang reaksyon nila sa balota ngayong 2025 na eleksyon. Detaining Duterte would only boost his popularity instead of weakening him. Agree ba kayo? It could rally more supporters behind him and strengthen PDP Laban's position. Number 3, this could be a political miscalculation for BBM. By pushing the case, yung inciting to sedition, the administration is essentially giving Duterte, Caspian, go there, giving Duterte massive media coverage which could improve his influence and PDP Laban's chances in the elections. In the end, this move might just hand Duterte a political advantage rather than weaken him. BBM should recalibrate his strategy and remove all his PR personnel. They are sabotaging the downfall of the Marcos Araneta Romualdez alliance. They are not doing well. So, magbasa tayo sa mga comments. Ryan Paigma, let them stick to their idiocy. Let them dig their own grave. Afia Gausi, with all the ongoing issues, kinanglan pa ba di ay mag-insight, dili tanang tao, bulok? Jose Ponce, that's a very intelligent remark. Detailed explanation. It goes without saying, you cannot put a good man down. Duterte still has the edge. Okay, so abangan natin. Anytime, today or tomorrow, babalik na si PRRD. Tingnan natin kung arestuhin ba siya o hindi.